What is GSTR1? How do you file it? GSTR1 is a monthly or quarterly return to be filed by regular dealers, the return of which is divided into 13 sections. It is the base document upon which the entire compliance structure of GST is based. For traders with turnover up to 1.5 rupees crore annually, GSTR1 needs to be filed on quarterly basis, while that for traders having turnover above that needs to be filed every month. The late fee for filing GSTR1 is 50 rupees per day after the due date and 20 rupees in case of nil return. Once GSTR1 return is filed, a trader does not need to pay any tax immediately. The tax has to be paid at the time of filing GSTR3B. Composition dealers need not file GSTR1. Such traders need to file GSTR for every quarter. GSTR1 is filed in Form GSTR1. The various details included in GSTR1 are invoice-wise details of interstate and intrastate supplies made to registered persons and interstate supplies with invoice value more than 2.5 lakh rupees made to unregistered person. Consolidated details of intrastate supplies made to unregistered persons for each rate of tax and state-wise interstate supplies with invoice value up to 2.5 lakh rupees made to unregistered persons for each rate of tax. Debit and credit notes, if any, issued during the month for invoices issued previously. What is meant by GSTR1? Simply put, GSTR1 is a monthly statement of outward supplies to be crafted by all normal and casual registered tax-paying individuals who are engaged in outward supplying of goods and services and possess information related to these outward supplies. Is it mandatory to file GSTR1? Business owners who have a comprehensive income of more than Rs2 of 50,000 are required compulsorily to file income tax returns under GSTR1. How do GSTR1 and GSTR2 differ from each other? While GSTR1 is the monthly statement of outward supplies of goods or services filed by registered individuals, the GSTR2 return reflects the accrual of the input tax credit from the inputs collected at some point of the prior month. What is the late fee for GSTR1? The penalty or the late fee for not filing GSTR1 is 200 rupees per day. That includes 100 rupees for CGST Act and 100 rupees for SGST Act.